Hiding product categories behind a single navigation item adds unnecessary friction. Let's explore why exposed navigation works better on desktop and how to implement it effectively. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 287 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings. Consider making product categories the first level of the main navigation. To accurately understand the meaning of each main category and its sections, users need to see the related subcategories. When categories are hidden under a single hover-activated navigation item, it adds friction. While this may seem like a small extra step, it increases the risk of double hover navigation issues, which proved problematic in testing. It's important to remember that many users will access the main navigation multiple times, so even a small amount of added friction can compound over the course of their visit, negatively impacting the overall experience. Hiding top-level product categories by default makes it harder for some users to understand what type of site they've landed on and what's available. Not all users arrive through the homepage. Showing main categories by default helps these users quickly reassess and change scope if the product they landed on isn't a good fit. Consider making product categories the first level of the main navigation. When categories are exposed by default, users can immediately browse subcategories directly from the drop-down menu without taking extra steps. This helps them quickly understand the scope and content of the product catalog, making it easier to get started. Both Gap and Overstock make product categories the first level of the main navigation. Users can see at a glance the major product types like men and women, and furniture and rugs without having to hover or click a shop menu. This user was able to navigate directly to a product list of table lamps with no extra clicks, making the experience fast and efficient. This user on Caraway, like many in our testing of direct to consumer sites, easily navigated the single shop menu to view available products. On sites with a small and focused product range, consolidating categories into one access point wasn't, by itself, found to cause any issues. Sites with a large number of top-level categories, like mass merchants, may find it challenging to expose them all in the main navigation. REI addresses this by making product categories the top level while placing additional ones like car racks and footwear under a More link, a good solution when space is limited. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your main navigation, including over 40 homepage guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/product to learn more.